I mean, we all go to the doctor and we think that whatever they do, they're doing because there's good evidence to show that it works. Uh, an example of that would be a study on what's called stage 4 breast cancer, or breast cancer that has spread outside of the breast to other areas of the body. For a lot of years, physicians were convinced that a procedure called a bone marrow transplantation helped those patients. So that was kind of the standard of care. But believe it or not, there had never been a study to show whether that really worked or not. But because physicians were convinced that that was a good thing for people, they really kept on doing it, and it was very difficult to get people into a clinical trial. So it took 5, 10 years to get enough people into a clinical trial that ultimately showed that it didn't work, that it really was not only a waste of time and money, because it was a very expensive procedure, but also put the patient at certain risk, and a lot of risk actually, for complications from these procedures. And so there are all kinds of trials that are needed. It's not always just for new drugs and new treatments. Sometimes it's to show whether old treatments actually work or not as well. And in the case I just mentioned, it showed that it really didn't work. So now folks aren't exposed to the danger of that particular procedure for metastatic breast cancer, because now we know it doesn't do anything. And that's another terrific benefit of clinical trials.